Welcome back. This is the professionals and, of course, the concluding part of travel insurance. This time around, we are looking at the air travel insurance. For most of us who like flying, particularly to other parts of the world, what are those things, what are the policies that covers that voyage or that trip or that flight, as you would like to call it? And what happens to you even when you are in that country of visit? What do you undertake? This we will talk about in this part of the show. Well, we're being joined by our guests, they're still very much here, and to do a concluding battle, well, not battle now, but a concluding talk on the air travel insurance. I still have our insurance expert, Oluremi Oludotun. Thank you, sir, for still being on set with us.
Thank you very much.
And, of course, our security expert, Ighodalo Osazuwa. Thank you, sir, for being on set.
It's a pleasure.
Yes, air travel insurance. A large percentage of Nigerians travel by air, and particularly some have not traveled by road before. Locally and internationally, it's been by air. Now, let's look at the air travel insurance policy and everything that has to do with it. Why do I need an insurance policy by air?
Well, the risks are higher because in a road accident, you can still have, you might still have...
you can still survive.
Well, I didn't want to use the word survive, but you might still have a situation of correction.
Okay.
But in air disasters, most of the time, statistics have actually shown that the casualties and the level of survivors are actually higher. The survivors are lower, okay, and the risk is actually higher. So that means that when air travel started, it was an international issue. Okay. So the air travel insurance has become an international air travel insurance. It actually gave birth to a comprehensive voyage travel that now includes marine, that is water travel, okay, and air travel.
If I had a travel insurance, it's a matter of pushing some of those emergencies, okay, to the insurance company that gave me cover. But then, I didn't have a cover when I had issues. Like, for instance, when we travel, we drive. Oh. This travel insurance covers your driving. Peradventure, there's an accident. The medical bills, if need be, will be paid. Because every vehicle, as a matter of policy, in some of these developed countries, every vehicle is supposed to have an insurance. It's compulsory. Okay. It's compulsory. Either insurance from the car hire company or if it's an individual vehicle. Okay.
Schengen visa insurance, okay, is actually an insurance that covers Schengen countries. There are some countries that came together and they are now known as the Schengen regions. Okay. They started with 15 countries and now they have about 25 countries. So that means that if you are traveling to these countries, you are expected to have an insurance in place. Now, the insurance is not basically for travel. It's actually a medical insurance, okay, that covers your travel, your transit. Yeah. That means if anything happens to you while you are traveling, and if anything happens to you while you are in the country of visit.
If there is no insurance in your vehicle, you cannot put it on the road.
You cannot.
No. You mean Nigerian road? Yeah.
Every country.
Every country.
Okay. Even in Nigeria.
That's the.
Even in Nigeria, that is the law.
Yeah, that is the law.
That is the law.
Yes, a lot of people try to beat these things.
But that is the law.
Let me quickly use this vehicle from point A to point B. But peradventure there's an emergency, you lose everything. You lose everything. But if you have a travel insurance, you are covered outside, wherever you are. From your point of...
Let me quickly correct an impression there. It covers you when you are in a car or you have an injury. Yeah. But if you are going to drive in another person's country, your Schengen insurance has to be extended to the insurance of that vehicle.
When you want to hire a vehicle from the airport, apart from paying the cost of transportation, you pay for insurance.
You pay for insurance, yes, you do.
So automatically,
I agree with you.
Everything is paid for.
Yes.
It's paid for.
I agree with you.
Your travel insurance is just an addition to whatever you're going to get. Because I'm sure a lot of people will be feeling that, oh, so I cannot drive if I travel out of my country. No, it's not like that. You can drive,
yes,
but you will still have to take a policy that will be an additional to your travel insurance. But if you are a passenger in a vehicle, you are covered.
Yes, and you're a visitor to that country.
And you are a visitor to that country.
Okay.
So the only national that are exempted, as it were, are the U.S. nationals and Europa nationals. Okay. But if you are not part of this particular group and you are traveling to these Schengen countries, you are expected to have a Schengen insurance. And even if you are traveling to U.S. or the U.K., you are expected to have another health insurance. But that one is not called Schengen, but that one is called travel health insurance.
I discovered that most people, when they take a benefit or take an insurance policy, they don't put the process in place for the claim in case they have a claim.
Yeah.
For instance, they tell you that a loss adjuster is coming to you. That is the man who serves as an investigator on behalf of the insurance company. You are not giving this person the necessary documents that he requires.
Or you are not cooperating.
You are not cooperating with him.
Questions.
You are not answering questions. You don't even have answers to his questions.
You look fraudulent from that point.
So by the time he gets back, he gives a report to the insurance company, because that's what we see every day.
Yes.
Because some of us also do this insurance investigation.
Yes.
And you discover that the person that is telling you that he has claim is trying to defraud the insurance company.
That is why I actually always try to differentiate the travel insurance and the medical insurance. There are two policies in one. It covers you while you are in transit. Then the moment you land in the country that you are going, then it becomes a medical insurance. So if you are injured or you have an accident or perchance somebody dies in that other country, then the insurance that you have taken as part of the travel and medical insurance covers you for that one.
A lot of people still have this archaic belief that insurance companies don't pay claims. So when you try to educate people about insurance, the first thing they will tell you is, please go. These people don't pay claims. They just talk. They keep you busy. They will commit you to things you don't want to do. But it's not true. It's not true. Because like the example I gave the last time, that was something that happened in a different country. You know? This lady went on holiday. A lot of people travel on holiday and they don't have coverage.
Or even fall sick.
Fall sick while they are away. So what happens? And most times you discover that even your embassy or your high commission will not even have the capacity to take care of you. So why don't you just go for a policy that will give you necessary coverage when you have an emergency?
Well, we have been looking at air travel insurance, the concluding part of it, and my guests have done justice to it. Oluremi Oludotun, an insurance expert, has been a man the first part and the second part. And we say thank you, sir, for coming, and we hope to have you again.
Thank you.
This time we could be talking on maybe a sport insurance.
You're welcome.
And of course, our security expert, Ighodalo Osazuwa, has been adding his own bits from the security angle. Thanks, sir, for coming.
Thank you very
Well,
much.
gentlemen, a big thank you to all of you. And thank you so much for everybody that has been part of the production, for your calls. Keep it coming. We'll see you again same time. I am Itohoimo Edet. Bye for now.